Hello and welcome. Today I've got for you this tiny camper van. I say tiny, it's built on the 541 centimeter long Fiat Ducato. That's about as tiny as you can get, I think. It is the Hymer Ayers Rock. Starts off at around 70,000 euros. That's the kick-off price. No one pays the kick-off price. So really you've got to think of spending around 80,000 for something like this. As you can see, it is really compact, and what I like about this vehicle is that it's got everything in a really small floor plate. Under here we've got fridge. Now this fridge will open both ways. It's one of these clever Dometic ones. Up here we have got two burners and a sink. Under the kitchen unit we have got these storage drawers. That's your instruction on the use of everything inside the vehicle. We have got here this washroom, and that, in my opinion, is pretty brilliant. It is 541 centimeters long, 205 centimeters on the outside. You still get this washroom, which it's got a shower, a toilet, it's got a sink there. And why I think this is so good, it's because of the size of the vehicle. Look, I'm inside the shower now. Okay, it's a bit of a squash. There's me inside with the door closed. I'll even close the door completely. Okay, I haven't got a huge amount of room. I do have my shoes on. I've got a hat on as well. I wouldn't normally go in the shower with my shoes on and a hat on, but all the same, I think it does demonstrate how much space you've got in this, and it's the size of a car. This is a cassette toilet from Thetford. Coming to the back, moved everything up earlier, so the bed goes across here, but under the bed you've got this storage. Now I wanted to demonstrate what the storage situation is like under the bed. I'll show you the bed when I go outside. Now we've got this partition here which goes in there. Should you want to store something long, for example, you might want to bring a bicycle down here or something like that, then the partition would obviously come out. Over here we've got storage as well. That will open, but you'll have to take the partition out to open it. Obviously it's a bit cramped in there. This one here also would open if the partition were not there. Here we've got a tiny storage area. I think this was meant to be a wardrobe once, although there's not really a space for a wardrobe. Hang things up in there. The wardrobe's there. That's it. Hanging up. Okay, you may think, okay, that's not very big, but it is big. It's big because the vehicles are small, as I keep mentioning, and also the storage goes right to the very back. Often the space in the corner is not used. That, I think, is a super positive thing. Forward facing bench, smallish table. It does double up. That's only half the table you see there. The table will come out. And up here, there's a tent in the roof, but it's winter now. It's pretty cold. That's why I've got a coat and hat on. And so this has been put there, a little bit extra insulation, but the tent, of course, could come up in the summer. Now on the roof, we've got a proper roof. The tent is enclosed within that roof, and we can see that from the outside. And I'll just give you a quick look here what it looks like. You can see up there we've got a mirror, not a mirror, a window which adds to the light. So when the tent's up, you can use the mirror and the window brings light in, and when this is down as well, with the tent down, then you can also get light in when this is out, I should say. Storage all the way around. It's sloped at the top. That's the outside of the vehicle. This is on the Fiat 8, which was introduced in 2021, and I think I'm very positive about this vehicle, but I do like small vehicles. Up here we've got our display, so we've got the Truma Duo, we've got and we can set from here the water, the heating, etc. Here we've got the control panel, so we can have a quick look now. Let's have a look what the battery is going quite low, and any water in here, any wastewater? No. Any normal water? No. Well, it's been emptied because it's wet. And I can turn, it's not on hookup, and I can turn off the lights from this. So that's taking the lights off, and let's just go out. I left the step here. There's the step in. Right, window, water, and I'll open up the rear here. This is also quite clever in my opinion. So the water tank's in there. We've got a ledge here, but so this is where the bed would come out. So we've got this Frovey system for the bed. Here's a space that's great for deck chairs, tables, etc. And I'll open it up here, and you can see there we've got the gas cupboard, and above that the bed has been folded up. So when you're using this down here for storage, as it is at present, the bed, the mattresses go up there. They fold away quite neatly. Now there's all sorts of equipment packs for this as well. You can see though where the tent is in the roof. If I take you around like this, and got here, that's the exhaust for your heating, Truma, and toilet cassette, and that's your outer electricity. So if you need to go and hook up, charge the batteries, or you're on a campsite or something, then that would go like that. This is Brecht Caravanning in Heilbronn, Germany, and so we've got a number of vehicles here, and there's a rather large amount of vehicles at the other side of the building. This is the service area, 3 service positions here, and they've also got more space behind that, and here is number 4 is for washing. So they've got quite a complex facility here just outside of Heilbronn. So thanks so much for watching, hope you found it interesting. That is the Hymer Ayers Rock. There's more information in the description, but for the moment, all the best from me in Heilbronn, Germany.